Okay, so this is my new project. It's a 1996 Kawasaki KLF300, which I think is called a Bayou in the States. It's a bit of a mess, pretty old, but I'm gonna either refurbish it and get it running as is, or convert it to electric, which is my preferred plan. So I'm gonna record all this on video, partly for my own records, just so I remember how it all goes back together, partly in case it's of interest to anyone else looking to do a quad restoration or conversion to EV. So as you can see, I've got all the front end off. Put up a bit of a fight, but mostly came off okay. And I'm now going to have to take off these 4 last bolts to each side to get the back end off. And there's a few more components to strip out of that. And then I can get the whole thing properly cleaned, sanded and repainted. Should be looking a lot nicer. So let's see how we get on. So I've finally finished all the painting work on the quad, on the frame and the rear diff. I gave it an undercoat of PR15 and then used some Hammerite smooth black on top. So it's looking alright. It would have been neater if I'd sprayed it, but I don't have the kit for that. Yeah, certainly an awful lot better than it was. And the frame's in pretty good nick, not too much rust underneath. So because this is the A model, which they only made for about a year from 1985 to 1986, I couldn't get some of the spare parts that had worn or broken, so I had to get a few custom made. But it all went back together okay. So in the next video I'll show you how I went about converting it to electric.